All right. I'm going to show you some dots. Okay? And it's going to be quick. It's going to be quick images. And I know that you did those with Mrs. Geist. Have you done it this year?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to show you quick images. So I'm going to ask you 2 questions. How many do you see? And how did you see it? Okay?
How did you see it? That one's going to be a tricky one.
Maybe. We'll see. Everybody's eyes on the whiteboard. All right. How many did you see? Remember, if you have an answer, can you give me thumb to chest? Can you, Courtney, can you go like, or Brooklyn, can you go like this? Yeah, thank you. That just makes sure that everybody is able to think. All right. How many did you see, Noah?
4.
You saw 4. Okay. Did anybody also see 4? Did anybody see something different than 4? All right. Let's look at it. Let's check.
It was.
Noah, how did you see 4?
Because I counted it fast.
You counted it fast, like 1, 2, 3, 4?
I didn't.
You used your mind. Okay. All right. Did someone see it in a different way? Did someone see it in a different way? How did you see it, sweetie?
I counted by 2.
Can you show us how you did? Tell us how you did that.
I counted it in my mind.
Okay. So what did you say first in your mind?
2.
Okay. These 2?
Yeah.
So you said 2,
4.
2, 4. Okay. So she grouped them. Emiliano.
Okay, so I put 2 in my mind and 4.
Okay. So Emiliano, I don't know if you could hear him. He said he put 2 in his brain. 2. And then he counted on 3, 4. Okay. I saw some of you did that way. Did anybody see it in a different way? Yes. How did you see it?
I just saw it very fast.
Yeah. Did anybody just see 4? They didn't have to count or they didn't have to group them. Sometimes our brains can just see 4. Yeah, I see some of our friends just saw 4. All right, here's our next group.
That's what I do. Set.
Here's our next group, our next set.
Great. She can do it.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, eyes on the whiteboard. Oh, I see some of my friends already. Okay. Right here, thumb on your chest. If you have an answer. Thumb on your chest. That's how I'll know to call on you, okay, Eli? Yeah.
Disappear counting.
Disappear counting. Tell me more.
Because it disappeared there. I just counted.
Oh, you could still see it? Okay, so my first question is, how many did you see? Mikey?
5.
Mikey saw 5. Did anybody else see 5? Okay. Did anybody else see something different than 5? You saw something different than 5? What did you see?
I saw 2 and a 3.
Oh, so how many you saw 2 and 3? So how many dots did you see altogether?
5.
Oh, she saw 5 altogether. Okay. How did you see this? So all of us saw 5. How did you see it, Cole? How did you see 5?
Counting quick.
You counted quick. So you kind of did what Noah did last time, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counted quick. How did you see it?
I saw 2 and counted on 3.
Okay, so you saw these 2 and then counted on 3, 4, 5. Nora, how did you see 5?
I quickly counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you just counted, yep. Anybody see it a different way? Noah?
I counted, I started with 1, then I added 4.
Oh, so you saw this 1, and then you saw this as 4, and you know that 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 equals 5. All right, let's look at another set. Eyes on the board. That had a lot of dots, didn't it? Remember, thumb to chest. Noah, nice remembering. Just a second. I'm going to show one more time. All right, my first question is, how many did you see? Frankie, how many did you see? You saw 8. Did anybody else see 8? Okay, did anybody see something other than 8? Nora, how many did you see?
I saw 7.
7. Did anybody see 7? A couple people saw 7. Did anybody see something different than 7 or 8? You saw something different than 7 or 8?
2 plus 6 equals 8.
Okay, so you saw it. Let's look at that. Okay, so Cole said, I saw 2 plus 6, right? And you know that 2 plus 6 equals 8. That's how you saw it. You saw 8. Did anybody see it in a different way? Yes. Yeah.
In the first time I didn't know, but now I know. Because then I saw 3 plus 3 plus 6 equals. And then I just counted 2 more. Got 7, 8.
Yeah. So Israel said that he saw this as 3 plus 3, and he knows that 3 plus 3 equals 6, and then he counted on 2 more really quick to get 8. Nice. Okay, we're going to use that idea to do a challenge problem. One more problem, and it's going to be a challenge problem. And here's the thing. On this challenge problem, there's going to be a lot of dots. So I'm not going to ask you, how many dots did you see?
10.
But instead, we're going to focus on how do you see it. So just like Israel grouped the dots, he grouped it in 3, 3, and 2. We're going to talk about different ways that we can group the dots to figure out how many there are. Okay? All right, let's look at it. Hold on, I'm getting there. Ready? It said, oh, there you go. It says challenge. Yeah, it says challenge. Okay, I'm going to add sound effects for us.
Challenge.
Okay, so it says, just like what I said, you're about to see a larger group of dots. Instead of saying how many dots there are, find as many ways as you can to show how you know what the total is. Here is an example. Okay, there's a lot of dots there, isn't there? Yeah, but I could group them into 2, 3, 2, right? Or I could group them into 2, 3, 2 this way. Or this person saw it as 4 plus 4 minus 1 because they have 1 in common. So I counted that one twice. Okay? So somebody, like the one with the red lines, that person saw it as 5 in the middle plus 2. Or you could see it as 3, 3, and 1. So we're going to talk about groupings. All right.
How are all these?
You ready?
Yeah.
Here's your image. Okay? I want you to look at it. How would you group these dots? Oh. When you have an answer, remember your thumb to chest. How would you group these dots? If you have one way of grouping them, try to think of another way of grouping them. Oh, I see some really good thinking out there. Oh, really good thinking. So I just took the big one and I put 9 little ones. So who would like to share with me how they grouped them? Brooklyn, how did you group them?
I grouped them to 4, 3, 4, 3, and 4.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw this and then I want you to tell me if I drew what you were thinking the right way, okay? You watch. Now you guys out there, while I'm drawing this, you think, did I have the same way as Brooklyn or did I have a different way of grouping it? So Brooklyn said, I saw 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. So the addition sentence would be,
4, 3, 4, 4.
yep, okay, 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 equals
Something. 26?
26.
No. 30. No, it's 18. It's 20.
Well, what's 4 plus 3?
7.
Okay, so 4 plus 3 is 7, and 4 plus 3 is
7.
7.
18.
Yep. So what's 7 plus 7?
14.
14. It's a double, isn't it, Frankie? 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 4 more.
There's 26. 18.
Eli, what is it? 18. Are all of these going to equal 18?
No. 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 Yeah.
What do you think? Are all of these going to equal 18?
Yes. No.
Why do you think yes? Justify your answer.
It just looks like it.
It just looks like it.
Oh, because there's no in the answer right there.
Oh, there's ones right here that we can't see all the way. But are all of these the same image, Marnith? Are all of these the same image? Yeah, we're just showing different ways we could group them. Okay, who grouped it in a different way? Who grouped it in a different way? Yeah, how'd you group it? In 5s. Come up and show me how you grouped it in 5s. I think I know, but I don't want to draw your picture wrong. Come on up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! Let's see. Is that, oh, nope, I missed one. Like that, 5, and then another 5, and then another 5, and then 3 more. Whoa, thumbs, she gave me a thumbs up. Okay, so what's the equation for this one?
Okay.
Yeah.
This is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3.
5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3. So what's 5 plus 5 plus 5?
10.
5, 10, 15. And then 3 more is, Nora? What's 15 plus 3 more?
18.
It's 18, so we have the same total, don't we? Okay, do I have one more friend that will share how they saw it? Faith, how did you see it? You saw it, did you see it this way? Come on up. Come show me. How did you see 4s and 3s?
These 4.
Yeah. Okay.
These 4. This 3. And that 3.
So 3 here, like that, and 3 here like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 2 and 2.
2 and 2. Okay, so let's look at what Faith's equation would be. Faith, can you help me out?
4 plus 4
Sorry, 4 plus 4.
plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2.
And what was your total?
18.
18. All right, nice work, friends. So when we see dot images, our brain can group the dots in different ways. All of you saw the same amount, but your eyes and your brain grouped those dots into images that were easier to work with.
Yep.
Nice job, second grade friends.